The Delhi flood warning, Yamuna water levels have risen in heavy rain, has triggered a flood alert, of course, in the national capital region. There's, of course, heavy discharge from the Hatnikund barrage, the visuals of which you can see on your screens at the moment. Of course, owing to this, the administration has evacuated people from low-lying areas. There's also been relief and rescue camps that have been set up. What's important to understand is that the Yamuna water level has risen in the national capital region. Well, we have my colleague Anushka joining us live on the telecast to share more details with us. Anushka, help us understand where are you exactly at the moment and what exactly is the situation there?
That's right, Reet. I am currently at the old railway bridge, which is a crucial point where we, measure the water level of Yamuna. We are showing you the visuals. The water level has crossed the danger mark early today morning. Right now, the water level of Yamuna is at 205.68 mm. We are showing you the visuals from the old railway bridge. Now, yesterday, an official order to the district magistrate ordered the closure of traffic and public movement in the old railway bridge from 5 p.m. from today. We had also seen that the water minister Parvesh Verma had said that there is no need to panic, but because of the water discharge that was in fact released by the Hatnikund barrage of around 3.99 lakh cubic water, that is why we are seeing this kind of increase in the water level in Delhi. The low-lying areas like Kashmiri Gate, Nigambodh Ghat, all of those areas have been under patrolling, and several of the people are in fact right now also patrolling all those areas. Several of the key measures have been put in place. Relief camps have been set up at Mayur Vihar and across the ITO pool, and not just that, we're also showing you the visuals of how dramatic the river's flow can be seen. It is a quite strong stream that is going on, and it is in constant monitor of the Delhi government. But we are also seeing that this has now crossed the danger mark. 206.3 mm is the point when the evacuation starts. But we are showing you the visuals of how close the Yamuna water is in fact right now flowing from the old railway bridge, which has been ordered by the district magistrate to be closed from 5 p.m. today evening. The water may go back down when the water discharge from Hatnikund barrage will be cut short. But we are seeing right now the kind of visuals that can be seen here at the old railway bridge, where the water level of Yamuna has crossed the danger mark. Very crucial time in Delhi right now, but we are seeing that all the necessary measures and precautions have been put in place. Over to you.